Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to show you how to crochet a little heart, and I will show you how to do it from the start to the finish. If you think I'm going too fast, then remember you can always slow down the speed in the settings below on the 3 dots. If you like other small things, you can watch my tutorial on how to do a star, and I also have a little leaf, and they are very cute. And if you like this heart to be a square, then I have another tutorial on how I will turn this into a granny square. So for now, I have used a DK weight for the yarn and then a 4.5mm crochet hook. Let's begin. We begin with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your finger 3 times. Insert the hook underneath the first 2 and grab the last one and pull through, and then secure the yarn like I do. Then take it off your finger and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then into this ring we will now crochet 3 triple crochet. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring and do 3 triple crochet. That's 1, 1, 2, and another triple crochet into the ring. And then the last one, yarn over twice, and that's it. Now do 4 double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, and double crochet. That's 1. Do another 3 double crochet, so you have 4 in total. That's 2, 3, and 4. Now do 1 triple crochet. So yarn over twice and finish your triple crochet. And do another 4 double crochet. One, 2, 3, and 4. Then 3 triple crochet, so yarn over twice, insert the hook into the center, and do 3 triple crochet. That's 2, and the final one, 3. Then we finish off with 3 chains. So 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chains, and then do a slip stitch into this ring. So insert the hook into the ring and slip stitch. And now we can pull it all together. So you turn it and then you pull this little thread. So you pull it together as a little heart. And that's round 1. Start. Now for the next round, remember we have this chain 3 from the beginning. We will begin with 2 single crochet around this chain. So you insert the hook into the chain and single crochet, and then another single crochet around the chain. So now in the first triple crochet up here, we will now do 3 double crochet. So yarn over and insert the hook in the first triple crochet we made on the previous round. Do 1 double crochet, then another double crochet in the same stitch, and another double crochet. So 3 double crochet in total in the first stitch. Then in this next stitch, we will do 3 double crochet as well. So that's 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and then in the next stitch 3 double crochet as well. 1, 2, and 3. Now for the next 4 stitches, we will do 1 double crochet in each. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. That's 2, 3, and then 4. And then we have the bottom of the heart down here. Into this stitch we will do first 1 double crochet, then 1 triple crochet, and then 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So begin with 1 double crochet, then a triple crochet, so you yarn over twice and insert the hook in the same stitch, and then a double crochet again in the same stitch. So that's the bottom of the heart. Now in the next 4 stitches, you'll do 1 double crochet in each stitch. So that's the first one. Then move on to the next stitch. That's 2. Then 3. And the final one. 4. And then in the next stitch, we will do 3 double crochet in the same stitch. That's 1, 2, 3. And in the next stitch, 3 double crochet as well. So 3 double crochet in the same stitch. That's 2. And 3. And again, in the final triple crochet we did, we will do 3 double crochet as well in the same stitch. So that's 1, 2, and 3 double crochet in the same stitch. And then we have this chain 3 again, as we did on the previous round. We will do 2 single crochet around this chain. So just insert the hook around the chain, do 1 single crochet and then another single crochet around the same chain. And then we will finish with a slip stitch all the way down here at the bottom. And that's our heart. So now we can cut the yarn and pull this one through. And that's it.